So in my midst of unboxing, the thing starts peeling off. Damn. And it's starting to get worse right now. It's self-destroying. Hey yo, what is up guys, it's me Mr. Kim here, and today I'm not excited at all. Literally not excited at all. This unboxing is kind of a disappointment. Initially it was very exciting, but like I showed you guys initially, the thing started to peel off by itself, and I'm seriously disappointed by Moleskine. It's one of my favorite brand when I was schooling, that you know, cool kids out there using Moleskine and having the notebook, and this laptop sleeve just disappoint me. So one thing you need to understand is when you are spending $100+ Sing dollar on a product, you are asking for some better quality stuff and something that can last you for at least a good few years. But this is not even a few seconds and it's already damaged. And this is what you get from Moleskine, and it's seriously disappointing where you can get laptop sleeve or other brand at a better cost. The thing here is that because they are Moleskine and they have marketed themselves as the legendary notebook creator, they are not even using a better material for their product and yet selling at a very expensive cost. Everything was so good initially until I have no idea that everything starts to peel off by itself when I was filming this video. Why am I showing this? Well, I guess not all videos are perfect, right? So anyway, I'm still just going to review this. This is the Moleskine 15-inch laptop case. Something that makes me want to buy this is the look and the design of it. As you can see from packaging itself, everything is so well thought of, even down to the plastic holder. They even have a branding on this. I kind of like it, but I never expect that this thing will happen. So looking at how it peel off, it seems like it is a PU leather, so PU leather won't last long. So I actually tried to look inside the bag and I found this. So the exterior material is 100% polyurethane and the internal is 100% polyester. It's designed in Italy and manufactured in China. It's kind of like a typical thing that people does these days. And check it out for the first time. It is really beautiful in terms of the shapes. It can hold up to your 15-inch laptop or probably your new 16-inch laptop. It should be able to fit. And as mentioned, inside is polyester, so everything is still quite smooth. And this is like the Moleskine signature. In case you lost, please return to, and you got the reward label. And you can lock the flap by using its elastic band to hold both of them together. And here I have a very old school 15-inch MacBook Pro. I'm just going to stuff it inside right now. And this is the part I actually saw it's something coming out from the back, and I'm not pretty sure what happened over there. And after that I start to realize there are more and more coming out. Initially I thought it was some dirt on the floor, so I didn't really care much until after that then I realized it is from the material itself. And as you can see, I'm keep swiping away the dirt, and I have a closer look of what is it, why do I see more and more white stuff at the corner of the back. That's where I started to notice it. But because I still want to carry on the testing, so I took out the MacBook Pro, but I don't want to ruin it, so I still continue to find my iPad Pro to put inside this sleeve to test it out. So as you can see over here, there is plenty of room for an iPad Pro, because this is designed for a 15-inch MacBook Pro. I believe you can also put a 16-inch MacBook, and this is where the elastic band comes in. You can lock them together. And over here, I'm just going to give up after that, because it's getting more and more worse each time when I try to open up and close. Everything starts losing by itself, and they just peel off, and it gets really messy after that. Let's take a closer look at the crack. And this is clearly the material used by them, and it's really disappointing till the level that, you know what, I think Moleskine should do something about it. I'm actually quite disappointed with this unboxing, but I think it's something to share, at least to let the company know that they should use something better for their product. As Moleskine are the popular brand out there, I think this should not be happening. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. If you like this video, make sure you slap a like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye!